Hello everyone, my name is Yamini Churi, roll number MB21024, class FIMMS, subject Financial Management, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies Boisar. My topic name is Financial Planning. Meaning of financial planning. Financial planning is an important function of financial management. This function has to be performed whether the business is big or small. Similarly, a new as well as an existing business must perform this function very carefully because it is concerned with the procurement and effective utilization of funds. A carefully prepared financial plan will not only ensure the economical and sufficient procurement of funds but their proper utilization also. Definition of financial planning. Financial planning pertains to the function of finance and include the determination of the firm financial objective, financial policies and financial procedures. Objective of financial planning: to raise the fund in a manner that the cost of capital is minimum, to ensure simplicity in the capital structure, to ensure sufficient liquidity of fund, to provide adequate fund to the business. Neither the fund should be short nor in excess of the needs of the business, to ensure flexibility in capital structure so that changes in the sources of fund may be made according to the changing condition. Benefit of financial planning. First, increase your life saving. Part of any solid financial plan is creating a strategy for your saving. When you make a financial plan, you get a good understanding and insight into your earning and expenditure. You can track your cost and cut them down knowledge. Second, improve your standard of living. Many people think they will have a lower their standard of living if they are making an effort to make better financial decision. On the contrary, you typically don't need to compromise your lifestyle with a good financial plan. Your goals are very much achievable while living in moderate comfort. Third, be prepared for crisis. Creating an emergency fund is a critical component of financial planning. For many people, the goal is to have at least 6 months of your monthly earning stashed away for emergencies. 4. Enjoy peace of mind. With readily available sufficient fund, you can cover your monthly cost, invest in your future dream and goal, and spend a little lavishly on yourself and your loved ones without worrying about money. Financial planning will help you organize your money expeditiously and enjoy peace of mind that your bases are covered. Limitation of financial planning. Financial plan is based on forecast of future condition. Once a financial plan is prepared, it becomes quite difficult to change it. Asset involving hug capital might have been purchased and low material, labor and other costs might have been incurred. Sometimes the changes in financial plan also become difficult due to ragged attitude of management. Step in financial planning: determination of financial objective, formulation of financial policies, formulation of procedures, provision of flexibility. Factor affecting financial planning: nature of business, degree of risk, standard of concern, plan for future growth, alternative source of management, attitude of management, government policies and control. Significance of financial planning: helpful in the efficient operation of business activities, helpful in proper capitalization, helpful in optimum capital structure, helpful in proper utilization of fund, helpful in the expansion of the business. Thank you.